Why does creating a date time with its Tzinfo from Pytz show a weird time offset? My question is why they have different time zones, 1:35 and 3 o'clock. I know that the second code is true because my UTC is 3 column 00. But can you tell me why I am getting 1 column 35 in the first one?
In the second code, you use .localize, which takes a naive datetime object and interprets it as if it is in that time zone. It does not move the time to another time zone. A naive datetime object has no time zone information to be able to make that move possible. As you are making the time local in the second code, the time shown in the second one is correct. As you are not making the time local in the first code, the time shown is incorrect.
Tzinfo doesn't work well for some time zones, and that could be the reason for the wrong result. Pytz doc. Unfortunately, using the Tzinfo argument of the standard datetime constructors does not work with Pytz for many time zones. Using localize or a timezone is a fix to this problem. Doc says that the preferred way of dealing with times is to always work in UTC, converting to local time only when generating output to be read by humans. This will print.
There is no problem, datetime just happily reports the offset of the Tzinfo in whatever reference frame. By default Pytz.timezone doesn't give the UTC offset but the LNT, local mean time, offset. However, when you localize it, a different offset is now reported, this time based on the east.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.